In this video tutorial, we are going to show you how to remove pages or delete pages from a PDF file. Here I have a PDF file and I have 13 pages. I will apply two methods, online and offline, and I will not use any extra software in offline method. So if you want to be an expert, watch the video till the end. If I go to Google and if I search or remove PDF pages, you will see a website ilovepdf.com. Here you will see remove pages from a PDF online. Let me click on this. Let me select the file. Select this file. Let me click on open. Here I have 13 pages what I said. Now if I want to remove the page number 8 and page number 10, let me click on this and let me click on remove page. Let me click on download PDF, start download, open. Here you will see this is page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, page 5, page 6, page 7, and you will see page 8 is removed. Here is page 9 and the page number 10 is also removed. So this is our online method. So if I want to apply the offline method, what I have to do actually, here in my PDF pages, here you will see 13 pages. So let me click on right button, click on open with, click on Google Chrome. So here is 13 pages. So let me click on the print button and here let me select save as PDF. Let me click on customize. So I want to keep pages 1 to 9. I want to remove the page 10. So will not write the page number 10 and I will just write 11 to 13. So if I write this kind, so you will see the page number 10 will be removed, and if I write this type 12 to 13, then the page 10 and 11 will be removed. So let me click on save. Here if I save it on desktop, let me click on save. In the desktop you will see this is page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, page 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and you will see page 10 and page 11 has been removed. So you can easily use both of the ways, the online way and the offline way. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.